Mastering English, Formal versus Informal Language and Vocabulary. Hello learners. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a crucial aspect of English communication, understanding the difference between formal and informal language, specifically focusing on language and vocabulary. By the end of this video, you'll be able to distinguish when to use formal language and when it's appropriate to use informal language. So, let's get started. Formal language is usually used in professional, academic, or official contexts. It is often structured and follows strict grammar rules. Formal language aims to be clear, concise, and unambiguous. It also avoids contractions, slang, and colloquial expressions. For instance, instead of saying, "I'm," you would say, "I am," in formal language. On the other hand, informal language is what we use in everyday conversations with family and friends. It is less structured and more relaxed. It includes slang, contractions, idioms, and colloquialisms. For instance, you might say, "I'm," instead of "I am," when speaking informally. One major difference between formal and informal language is the vocabulary used. Formal language tends to use more complex and sophisticated words, while informal language uses simpler, everyday vocabulary. Formal language might use words like commence instead of start, or purchase instead of buy. Also, phrases are often used in a more complete way. For example, you would say, "I do not know," instead of "I don't know." Informal language, conversely, uses more casual and commonly spoken words. So instead of commence, you'd say start or buy instead of purchase. And you're more likely to use contractions, like "I don't know," instead of "I do not know." Understanding when to use formal and informal language is key to effective communication in English. Using the appropriate language for the situation can help you communicate your message more effectively, whether you're giving a business presentation or chatting with friends. It's important to match your language with the context and audience to ensure your message is well received. Well, that's it for today's lesson, learners. We hope this video has helped you understand the differences between formal and informal language, especially regarding vocabulary use. Remember, the key to mastering English is practice, so try to incorporate what you've learned today into your English conversations and writings. Happy learning, and we'll see you in our next video.